These pieces of bread came in a pack of 6. And you just take them home. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and bake them. Something I did a little extra, you can do if you want to make them a pretty color, golden color, is I used an egg wash on them before I bake them, and that gives them the golden color. Now, I like using bread for displays. This bread is a bread mix I got at a grocery store that wasn't very expensive, and easy to follow. After it's done, I spray it with this Ultra Cover spray. I spray it, the top, several times. Let it dry in between each spray, of course. Turn it over, spray the other side, make sure I get all the edges. And I do this until I really feel I've sealed it. Now, I've been doing this for years, buying bread or making bread, sealing them, and it lasts, I can't even tell you how long, a year or two. I end up throwing them away and, going on to another project. But and we're in Michigan, and there's not a lot of problems with bugs like there might be in some of your warmer climates. But I believe as long as you seal them and you watch, if you start to see a mold or anything, get rid of them. But they would at least last for, a season, I'm sure. You shouldn't have any problem at all. This is, I don't know if you've ever seen these breadcrumb brushes. I use this. I think this is really neat. I use these a lot when I'm decorating for parties, working on the arrangements on the table, and we get things on it, and we just dust it off with this and a napkin or piece of paper. Now this I thought is kind of cool. I was not looking at, in fine restaurants they use these on the linen napkins, and they've been using them for years. But this is a bread basket out of a napkin. And I want to try to, I just love little extras like this for Easter and special parties. What you do is come in about 1 inch and fold it, and then another 2 inches, and then over here you'll fold it 1 inch, and more. You'll go about 5 inches there. And this one I think you bring up a little. You want them to meet or very close to meeting. Okay. But I noticed they don't center them in the finer restaurants. There might be a reason that I don't know. I couldn't figure it out or find out. So then you fold it after you've done it, turn it over, you fold it like this. And then you're going to fold it the other way. And then you want to tuck one end inside of the other. And then turn it over. And then you'll have your little pocket. And this is where you put your bread. And this would be if you were making bread to eat. Or you could do this for a display. And then it keeps it warm. So I just thought I would add that. I thought it was kind of a cute little extra, and you could also use it for display like that.